Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We've got a pretty tense story coming out of China's space program today. 3 Chinese astronauts who have been living on the Tiangong space station for the past 6 months finally started their journey back to Earth. But this wasn't your typical routine return mission. So, what happened? The astronauts Chen, Zhongrui, and Wang were originally supposed to head home on November 5th, just a few days after their replacement crew arrived. However, their trip was suddenly put on hold. The reason? It appears their return spacecraft, the Shenzhou-20, was hit by a piece of space debris. According to China's Manned Space Engineering Office, the impact caused minor cracks in one of the capsule's windows. Now, even a minor crack is a major deal when you're talking about re-entering Earth's atmosphere. For those who don't know, there are millions of tiny pieces of junk orbiting our planet, everything from old satellite parts to flecks of paint, and they're all moving at incredible speeds, faster than a bullet, making them a serious threat to any spacecraft. Thankfully, there was a backup plan. The new crew had just arrived on the Shenzhou-21 spacecraft, so Mission Control made the call. The returning astronauts would use the new, undamaged Shenzhou-21 to come home. It was a classic switcheroo, but one that was absolutely critical for their safety. The damaged Shenzhou-20 will be left docked at the station for now. As of this morning, the crew undocked from Tiangong and began their descent. Their capsule is expected to land later, today in a remote area of Inner Mongolia. Throughout this whole ordeal, the space agency reported that the astronauts were in good condition, working and living normally despite the unexpected delay. It's a huge relief for everyone involved and a real testament to the quick thinking and problem solving of the Chinese space program. This incident really highlights the growing danger of space debris. It also shows how crucial it is to have backup plans and redundant systems, especially when human lives are at stake hundreds of miles above the Earth. We're still waiting for official confirmation of their safe landing, so we'll keep you updated. It's unclear how this spacecraft swap will affect the schedule for future missions, like the planned Shenzhou-20 to launch. But for now, the main priority is getting these 3 astronauts home safe and sound. What do you think about the growing problem of space junk? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this update interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more space news. See you next time.